Dear students of Class 4 English version, Assalamu alaikum. Good noon. Good noon to all of you. How are you? I hope you are doing well and stay home safely. Actually, I could not take your math class yesterday, and that's why I'm coming to take your math class today. So, all of you take out your book and copy also. You'll get your first assignment with evaluation 2001's assignment paper, and next question you will get on 23 June, isn't it? So you have to do practice at home in mathematics also. Already Himanshu sir did practice to you all creative questions, isn't it? So today I'm going to start some short questions. Okay, so it is very important to you for your upcoming exam. That means when actually you will do your assignment paper in mathematics, it will help to you. So all of you take out your copy also. Attention please, look at there. You know your syllabus actually is chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4, isn't it? So from chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to do practice all types of questions. So you need to do this all mathematics to follow this formula also. Look at there. You have to memorize this formula. The question first formula is minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. So all of you have to memorize this formula. Okay, to use this formula you can find out so many questions. The first is minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. Okay, so actually when we need to find out the difference between two numbers, we have to use this formula, minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. The second one, multiplicand into multiplier equal to product. Actually when we will do multiplication, we need to follow this formula, multiplicand into multiplier. Actually we multiply with this number is called multiplier, and we multiply which number is called multiplicand, and when we multiply these two number we will get product, isn't it? And the next formula is divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Again divisor into quotients plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay, so if there is any remainder, then this formula is we need to use, but if there is no remainder, then the formula is divisor into quotient equal to dividend, isn't it? So you have to follow this three formula also, okay, for this fourth chapter also. So all of you learn and try to memorize this three formula also, and then you can use this formula to find out the result. So you will get 10 short questions for this upcoming exam, and also you will get some multiple questions. That means there is given some 4 option, and you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, you have to choose the correct answer. So all this type of questions you need to solve this problem. This you have to use this formula also. The question number first, look at there some examples. Now I am doing to practice with you. Look at there. If 230 into 10, attention please, 230 into 10 equal to, it is very easy, isn't it? Just we multiply with number 1 into 23, that means 23. How many zeros are there? 1 and 2, so 1 and 2. But the question is, which one is the multiplicand? Okay, which one is the multiplicand? Actually you have to write down the answer now. Which one is multiplicand? So we just multiply which number we multiply with 10. This is called actually multiplicand, and we multiply by the number that is multiplier, and we get the product. So here actually this one is actually multiplicand. 230 is the answer, isn't it? Answer is 2030. Actually it is only for actually short questions. Okay, look at that. If 2030 into 10 equal to 2300, so which one is the multiplicand? We know multiplicand into multiplier we get product. So there is actually we multiply 230 by 10 with 10. So this is our multiplicand to 230. Okay, next one. Look at there. 830 divided 5. Okay, 830 divided 5. What? Actually you have to write down only answer. Okay, so you can do this division actually rough pace. Okay, look at there. 830 divide 5. 830 divide 5. So what will be answer? Actually look at there. Answer is just I directly divide this number. 8 ones are 5 ones are 5, 3, that means 33. 6 5s are 30, then also 3, and 6 5s are 30. So our answer is 166. Okay, all of you, it is very important to you. You will get some such questions in your assignment paper, that means in mathematics. So it is very important to do practice at home. Okay, 1, 3, 33, 33, so that means 5 6 are 30, again 3, 3 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 30, that means 166. Now look at the 8,334 minus 5,346. We get 2,988. So what is the subtrahend? So now we have to find out what is the subtrahend. Actually you have to use this formula also. Minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. So if just we follow this formula here, so this is actually minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. So we have to find out the subtrahend. So our answer is, what will be the answer? Anyone, can you write down actually what will be the answer? Anyone, can you write down actually what is the answer? Actually here is subtrahend. Which one is the subtrahend in this subtraction? 5,000. So 5,346 is the answer, isn't it? So our answer is 5,346. 5,346. Look at there. The question number 4. Can you see actually? Okay. Can you see? Can you watch the class? Okay. Look at the question number 4. Divisor is 18, quotient is 6, and remainder is 5. So what is the dividend? Just we need to follow the formula, isn't it? To find out dividend, we have to use the formula divisor into quotient plus remainder, isn't it? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So then we will get the answer dividend. Okay. Okay. From ID, Anjali Bishwas, that means Antara Devnath is actually write down Miss Amiki Ligbo. Okay, you can write down. Actually, you have to practice at home such type of short questions, and that's why no need to write now. Just you at first you try to understand, then actually you will do you will take a screenshot, then you will do at home. Okay, so divisor is 18, quotient is 6, and remainder is 5. So what is the dividend? So how can we find out? You can do this actually as a rough base. Look at there. Okay, answer 18 into quotient 6 plus remainder 5. Then how many? Look at there. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. That means 8. We also carried 4. 6 1s are 6. 6 and 4 10 plus 5. Then we will get 1 1 3. So our answer is 113, isn't it? 113. There is given also divisor is 18, quotient is 6, and remainder 5. So what is the dividend? So it is very easy. Just we have to follow this formula and put the number and then calculate. Divisor is 18, 18 into 6, then plus 5. So 8 6 are 48. Also carried 4. 6 1s are 6. 6 and 4. 6 and 4 10, isn't it? So 108 plus 5 113. And the next one, just look at there. 3705, that means 3705 plus 3350 plus 61 plus 4923 equal to what? That means you have to add this 4 number also side by side. Okay, so if it is difficult to you, you can do this as a rough pace, as a vertical way. Okay, then actually you will get the same answer. Okay, but it is difficult to you. If otherwise you can do it easily side by side. Attention please. Look at there. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, isn't it? Then 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 0, that means 3 also carried 1, 1 and 9 10, 10 and 3 13, 13 and 20 we also carried 2, 2 and 4 6, 6 and 3 9. So we get the answer 9039. Okay, again look at there. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. Also in hand there is no number in my hand, so then next number. So 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 3 we carried 1, 1 and 9 10, 10 and 3 13, 13 and 7 20, 20 0 also we carried 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay, okay, next one. Look at there. You have to do practice at home division. In this, it is not difficult. Actually, you learn times table up to 19, but it is not so many difficulties. Okay, look at there. 43 divided by 9 to 8. So how many times will be? It will be 2 maybe, isn't it? Because look at there, that is 90. If we double this number, we'll get 80. So easily we can do given, we can put 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Look at there. Then 12 to 6, isn't it? And then 8. It is very easy, just 1 times, that is 43. So we get the remainder, that is 5 and also 2, isn't it? Again, look at there. At first I put 2, so 2 43s are 86. So 86, 4 and 2, 6. Then we just write down under 8, that is 68. There will be 1 times, that is for 1, so 43. Then subtract 5 and 2. So our quotient is answer. Quotient is 21 and remainder 25. Okay. So you have to do practice all this actually division to follow your textbook from the chapter 3, isn't it? Chapter 4, sorry. Chapter 4. To follow the chapter 4, you have to do practice all this division from this. Look at there, from the page number 56. From the page number 56, you have to practice this division also. Next one, look at there, 32 into 93 and 16. So how many times it will be? Actually it will not be going 3 times, isn't it? Because actually if we multiply with 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, but it will be 96, actually more than 93. So we have to put 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Then we just subtract 13 to 9, that means 9. Then actually it will be 8 to 6, 2, isn't it? Okay, then we need to put 1. Okay, now how many times it will be? Look at there, we have to multiply at first 2 numbers with 3, that means 3 9s are 27. So just we try at first with 9. Okay, look at them, 9 2s are 18, also 8 and carried 1, and 9 3s are 27 and 1 28. So it is possible, isn't it? So look at there, we can put 9 2s are 18, so 8 also carried 1, 9 3 9s are 27 and 1 28. Okay, look at there. So just minus, that means 11 to 8, we get 3. Then this will be 8 to 8 0, isn't it? Then actually we need to put the number, write down, that is 6. So it will be 1, isn't it? So there will be 4 remainder. So our answer is quotients, that means 291, and you can write down remainder, that is 0 4. Okay. Okay. Have you finished? So you have to practice all division from page number 56. Okay. Then next one, look at there, fill in the blanks. So to follow this actually the rules, we have to write down this appropriate number in the box we have to put. So how? Look at there, we know we just add these two numbers, that means there is 9, this is actually 0, so we in this box we have to put 9 at first. Okay, so 9, how can we get 9? Actually there is also 3, so how can we get 9? If we give here 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, so it is very easy, isn't it? So we can put there 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Then the next one, look at there, 9, and actually 9 plus 6, that means 15, isn't it? So we have to put 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. Is it clear? Actually you have to use some clue to find out this number also. And the next one, look at there, the next one, look at that, 3, that means there must be, we need to put 3, isn't it? Because 3 plus 0 equal to 3. So how can we get 3? So if we multiply with 7, so which number we multiply with 7, then we get 3. We need to find out this number at first. Actually 7 ones are 7, we need to receive the terms to 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 2 the 12, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, then 56 and 63. So we can actually get with multiply 9, isn't it? So if we put 9, look at there, 9 sevens are 63. That means we also carried 6. 6 nines are 54. 54 and 6. That means 60. 0 also carried 6. And 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18 and also carried 6. So 18 and 6, 24. Then we just add this two number, 3, 7, 0. We also carried 1, 2 and 2, 4, 4 and 1, 1. Okay. Then compare the following numbers with greater than or smaller than. Actually, it is very easy to use, isn't it? So, before comparing the number, look at there, comparing the following numbers with greater than or smaller than, we need to learn these rules also. Compare the number of digits. The number consisting of the more digit is larger. It is the first point to you. So you have to memorize this point also. Compare the number of digit. That means the number consists of more digit is larger. The second point is when the number of digits are the same. When the number of digits are the same, so we need to follow some rules also. The first one is compare the biggest place. We have to compare the biggest place. The number which is bigger, the number is larger. And secondly, if they are same, then compare the second biggest place. Okay, then compare the second biggest place. And repeat this comparison to the smaller digit until you find the difference. So firstly, you have to follow which number is consist of more digit is which one. Actually, the number consisting of more digit is larger, and that's why we have to find out actually which number consisting more number. Then if we will get same number of digit, then we have to follow the biggest place of the number. That means if they are same digit are present in these two numbers, then we have to compare actually biggest number place actually the same, then compare the second biggest place at the first biggest place, and if they are same, then we have to compare the second biggest place. Okay, and it will be repeated. Then you have to find out until you find the difference. And thirdly, if all the digits are the same, these two numbers are the same. That means actually 5 digits and another number is 5 digits and they are also same. 5 digits are also same, then we can find out that is the two numbers are same. Okay. So look at there. So we need to find out at first how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, same. So we have to find out biggest place. That means 1000 place. Look at the 9, 9, same. So next time we need to compare. That means in the place of hundreds, 9, 9, same. Then we need to compare next place. That means in the place of tens. Look at that. There is 9 and there is 8. So 9 is greater, so must be this number is greater than this number. So we can put greater than, isn't it? We can put greater than. Again, question number 2. Look at there. So we need to find out actually digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. So same digit. So we compare at first biggest place 1, 1. Then the next one, that means 1000 place 0, 0, same. Then we need to compare hundreds place. There is 0 and there is 1. So this one is actually larger, isn't it? Because in the place of 100 there is 1 but there is 0. So we need to put smaller than, because first number is smaller than the second number. Then the third questions, look at there. We need to find out at first the non-digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 and this is 6. So there is no comparison because this one is actually larger than this one. So we can put smaller than. Okay. So all of you students of class 4, you have to do practice some creative questions which is actually already done by Himanshu sir. So you have to practice at home all these creative questions and you have to follow these short questions also in some division, multiplication, comparison, place value, all of these you have to practice for your assignment. Okay, so do carefully and try to write down neat and clean and to do all this rough as a rough pace. So try to write down neat and clean, okay, and write down clearly and correctly. Okay, so it is very easy to you, I hope so, because your syllabus is very short, chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is not difficult to you to solve all these problems. Okay, you have to follow the creative questions which is actually given by Himanshu sir and also did practice, isn't it? So you have to follow all these questions, all these problems you try to solve at home. So stay home safely. Goodbye.